Get your investments in order with this great advice. Working from home or having flexible hours are common dreams for people with families, those who like to travel a lot, or anyone trying to make extra money. You can start working online by playing the stock market and enjoy several benefits. Watch this video for some tips on making investments. Cultivating the discipline and focus to invest money regularly is a lot easier if you have defined your investment goals. Establish separate accounts for specific goals like college savings and retirement so you can tailor your choice of investment vehicles accordingly. Your state's 529 plan might be a great option for educational investments. An aggressive stock portfolio could be advantageous for a young person with retirement decades away, but a middle-aged person would want to consider less volatile options like bonds or certificates of deposit for at least a portion of retirement savings. Do not let the stock market scare you. Even if the swings of the markets and the turbulence reported on the news gives you pause, consider dividend stocks as a conservative safe haven. Their consistent yields are often better than bonds, and companies with a long history of paying out dividends are just as safe an investment as bonds. Do not invest your safety money in the stock market. Even conservative and dividend stocks can take a beating on any given day. The 6-month income you have saved up for a rainy day should go into a money market account or a laddered tier of certificates of deposit. After this, you have a green light to play the markets. You don't have to start and run your own business or invent a popular product in order to enjoy flexible hours or make money from home. Become your own boss by learning how to invest in the stock market. Remember the tips in this video, so that you can learn how to make extra money today. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.